And right now we're tossing around this pink lemonade, the new collab from Homeless Fisherman and G-Crack. 5.8 on a 6/0 owner beast hook, using the Dobbins Maverick 7.3 heavy. And this thing can skip like a dream. On the freaking gill, bro. Let's go. Look at that, y'all. On that bellows gill. Heck yeah, dude. The 5.8 Homeless Fisherman G-Crack collab. That's a little nice one. Got him right off that stump right there. I guess he was sitting waiting for something to come by, and sure enough, heck yeah, man. Freaking got him good with that beast hook. Look at that. Jeez, brutal. Let's get a release on him. Sick.